Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our May 2018 Corner to Corner C2C Crochet Along. So excited this month. We are doing Corner to Corner. Lots of you already know Corner to Corner and do Corner to Corner quite a bit. So feel free to just join us and work on your own Corner to Corner. Lots of us also are learning Corner to Corner or a tiny bit scared of it. So this tutorial series is meant to get you over that fear and get you doing Corner to Corner. We are going to be doing several different tutorials in this series. The first one will just be starting out, doing the increase. That'll be coming out tomorrow. And we're also going to be finishing into a square, and we're also going to be finishing into a rectangle, and we're also going to be finishing into a triangle. So all those finishing shapes are going to be separate tutorials, and they're all going to start the same way. So increasing is always the same way, and then finishing, it depends on the shape you want to have. So all this will be available. I'll put one out every day until we're caught up. Hopefully we'll also have some borders coming along, and this beauty, I love it. Yes, I've given it away, but I borrowed it back. It might be even harder to give it away the second time. But I'll also show you how to do this border, which is one of my favorite borders if you like popcorn stitches or marbles or bubbles. I really love it. So that is that. What are you going to need? You're going to need yarn. Whatever yarn you have, you can use it as a stash buster. Think in your head of what you actually want to make. I am going to be making a rectangular shape to make a cardigan. Wrong shape. Rectangular shape. I'm going to be making a cardigan. Same style as the boho cardi, but in a rectangle shape, so it won't be so long in the back and it'll be longer for the arms. So for me, I'm going to be doing the rectangular cardigan, rectangular corner to corner to make a cardigan, and I'm going to measure from like the back of my neck down like just past my bum. So I'll make it this measurement, the skinny side will be from my neck to just past my bum. So hopefully that'll be about the right size. For me, the other thing to consider is your hook size. So you can generally use whatever yarn, whatever hook goes along with your yarn. For this blanket, I did a smaller hook. I used like a fat yarn and I used a smaller hook. I think I used a 5mm. And I'll be doing that again for my corner to corner this time around. You can see the holes are quite small. So the smaller the hook, the smaller the holes will be. And also the more of a texture you'll have. Hope you can see that texture. It'll be more wavy. If you want a bigger hook, love that one. If you want a bigger hook, this I think I did with a 7mm, and it's just regular craft yarn, Kenyan acrylic, but you can see the holes are much bigger and it lays really flat. You don't really see that up and down waffle texture. So this is with a bigger hook. It's really loose and really soft, but no waffle. So that was with a 7mm. And this one I made a shawl, so this is just a triangle. And this one I think I did with a 6mm. So you can see how the holes get smaller with the smaller the hook, and the texture also increases. This I also did with a 5mm hook, and you can see there's not really much holes in it. Well, there are. If you pull it, you can see, but it's quite a tight weave, which is what I really like. I'll just show you this shawl also while we're here. That corner to corner shawl. That. So this was super easy to do. I just stopped and put on a border. This is, I don't even really remember what border I did, as you do. But I'll also be showing you some borders, and on the triangle, if you want to do a really simple shawl, I'll show you how to just do this scallopy kind of edge on the other two edges. That'll be a separate tutorial later on in a couple weeks time or something like that. So these are the yarns I used. Oops. Just regular old craft yarn. You can use whatever you have in your stash that you want to use. I just used this nice green so it would be easy to show up on camera. And I'm using this to make my rectangle C2C because that's what I want to wear. That's going to be my winter jacket this year. So I'm excited. So get your yarn, get your hook, and I'll see you tomorrow to start our corner to corner May 2018 crochet along. Yay! Stay hooked.